how to add PDF to our Squarespace website. So right here, I've just logged into my account and I've clicked on website, which has loaded up my Squarespace website. Now right here, what we need to do if we want to add a PDF is click on website from the left hand side, and then we want to create a new page. So from the main navigation here, I'm going to click on the plus sign, and then I'm going to scroll down until I see the option for link here and click on link. Now right here, this is really important. From this menu that says URL, we want to click on it and select file. Now we will type out a link title here, so I'm going to do PDF, and we will be able to click on this icon to upload our PDF file. So just locate your PDF file. I have this sample downloaded here on my PC, and click on open. Now if I save this, then I will have successfully created a PDF file, and if I click on it, then this will download or show me the PDF. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.